What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and another video. I'm here making some coffee with my mocha pot right there, but I wanted to chime in real quick and answer a lot of your Instagram messages. A lot of you have been asking me, bro, I have a 320i and N20 motor. Do you recommend that I tune it, that I add parts? What do you recommend? I don't want to blow my motor like you did. So let's get to that video. Alright guys, so right off the bat, the N20 motor is a reliable motor. It's economical, especially if you're over a 2015 version of the motor. You should be okay, because by then BMW already fixed the timing guides, which were a major problem under 2015. It could actually grenade your motor and you'll be just screwed completely. So BMW fixed that, and all the N20 motors now have a better operational timing guide, and it's economical, it's affordable. So should you tune your BMW N20 motor? If you're doing what I'm doing, or if you're trying to do what I did, basically, tune the car and just daily it, guys, I'm telling you right now, the compression ratios will change in the N20 motor, causing the spark plugs to wear and tear more often, the coil packs as well. And if you're not on top of it and you don't upkeep it, it could actually ruin your motor. Because for me, it wasn't so much the tune, it was the upkeep. And maybe, you know, I'm on both ends of the spectrum. I believe that it has something to do with the tune, but also the maintenance of the upkeep. And let me explain that. The tune did become a culprit in this because the tune required a good quality of gas. Even though I'm a 91 ACN, it's a bad quality of gas here in California. 91 is not that great. Now there's people out there like Thick Whips that had his F30 320i N20 motor, but he was running on 93 octane, which is a higher quality of gas, which therefore I believe his tune could probably last him a very good while without any issues. I mean, you have good fuel, good ignition, good airflow. There you go. You have a proper motor, a healthy motor running. Here in California, the air quality just sucks, period. I don't know if that makes a difference or not, but the fuel consumption, the fuel quality is just bad. So guys, if you're in California, if you're running a stage 1 tune on a N20 motor, just be mindful. Keep an eye on the spark plugs, keep an eye on the coil packs, keep an eye on the oil changes, and make sure you upkeep your motor, because hey, you don't want to run into a problem that happened to me, right? So the way that you break your BMW is one, failure of maintenance. You gotta stay on top of it. Do your oil changes, spark plugs, coil packs, injector cleaner. I mean, guys, just upkeep that motor. Keep it like your baby, basically. You're babying that motor. If you put a tune, be mindful that you might run your car to the ground, because honestly, most people that I know that have tunes on their car are upkeeping it like no other. They are changing those sparks, oils. If you're planning on tuning the car, just please be mindful that the maintenance and the upkeep of the car have to be up to par, and that you are running the risk of just really bringing down your motor, especially if it's not an S series motor, an S motor, right? All the M cars have forged internals. Anything under that, some parts are forged, some parts are not, some parts are more reinforced. The N20s, nothing is enforced, nothing is forged. Therefore, you have a higher risk of blowing up that motor. I hope this brought any value, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, drop a comment below, and I'll see you next week. I am gonna reveal the car soon next week. I just have a lot of stuff to do, a lot of things to finish. So make sure you subscribe. I am releasing that video soon. Thank you so much for the support, family. I'll see ya.